Listen up, guys. Today is a day that you're going to remember for the rest of your lives. Today, I am going to show you how to pack a box with my baby doll.
All packing supplies are ready to go.
Bubble wrap. Here, hold this. Item is secure. No room for motion.
The box is too big.
That's impossible. I packed it perfectly.
No, it's too tall. It can bounce around and be smashed to bits.
Snap out of it, man. I need you. Box cutter. First incision. Bubble wrap. Tape! Tape! Come on, man!
I can't find it!
Welcome back, son. Let's tape this box, team, and wrap this baby up.
It was an honor working with you, as always, sir.
I know.
Doll is intact, nothing broken.
And that's why you always pack things the right way with the right materials. STORExpress, more than storage. We sell boxes and all your needed packing materials.